Hey guys, it's Nicole, Nandra's Journey. Checking in because I told you that I would give you another update as soon as we changed around the store, and we have done so. There's still going to be some new additions coming, but we've got it pretty much done. So, here's your update. Sorry I look kind of like a hot mess today. I am, yeah. Anyways, here is your store update. Alright, we got our new rack. It's not completely filled up yet. Got some Halloween stuff still. Our new little plate holders. Still got my board. My babies. Anyways, there's the wine rack. This stuff. The back room really hasn't been changed a whole ton, just some extra gifts and things. Took down the Halloween stuff for the most part. And we've got this wall with all of our sales, a new wine rack. Some of the jewelry again. Alright guys, it is changed. We're gonna start over here. Just some little stuff. This is my favorite saying in the world. This too shall pass. Now would be good. Okay, here we go. We've got bird feeders and chimes. Our new watering globes. We're gonna have a ton of stuff that is more garden oriented this year. We've got some bird feed, some other little gifty things. This might get a little bright. Some Hallmark pillows. Gardening tools. That's the top of my rack. Some more little plate holders. Smile! Okay, look over here. The guy who owned the store before I did, the space, had left a whole bunch of dog collars and dog chains and leashes and that kind of thing. So I said, screw it. I'm going to put it out in my store. So I did. Over here we have more wind chimes, some fuzzy socks. Welcome to our garden. I'm going to see if I can get a shot of my window for you. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Get a whole shot of the room if I can. So, we have more stuff than just the ornamental iron in here now. Back in here, one more time around the room. We're going to be getting the majority of our spring stuff in very soon. We'll also be doing a full line of seeds for planting. These are my favorite, and I don't know if I showed you this in our last video, but this is something that I lovingly call stuff on a stick. And it's, you know, a garden stake. But it's a cute little dragonfly, and I paint them all kinds of fun colors. Stuff that in the ground, and it's cute in your garden. And there's him. And dragonflies that go the other way. And a butterfly. And a flower. Isn't that great? Well, I think that is going to be it for today. To thine own self be nice, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.